Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to correctly format an IEEE conference paper using Overleaf step by step. Step 1. Go and search Overleaf in browser. You will find the Overleaf official website. Just click that official website. If you don't have any account, just sign in. Either sign in by using Google or with your email or even with your ORC ID. If not, if you already have an account, just log in with your account. So once you logged in, you can find the option called templates. Just click templates. In the templates, you can just search IEEE conference. Upon search, you may find the first link IEEE conference template. You note official. So this is the template we need to use for IEEE conference. If you click on that, you may get open as template, view source and view PDF. Click open as template. Once you clicked, you may get the IEEE official Overleaf template. So you can able to see like upon opening this file, you can able to find two important files. One is conference.tex file, that is the text latex source code file, and we have IEEE transaction CLS file. So these two files are very, very important. Don't change anything on IEEE transaction.cls file. We have to modify only on this txt file. So if you want to edit anything, like I want to update my abstract, I can just double click either on the right side on the PDF or in the left side of the latex code. If you write, you just go and replace whatever the abstract you want to place, you can paste here. And if you want to update any title, you can just click the title, and there we can directly go and replace the title whichever we want to update. So please make sure that the title is in sentence case. It should not be either caps or it should not be the lower letter cases. That we have to make sure. If you want to give any subtitles, that we can have. Otherwise, we can remove this section. And if you want to any acknowledgements, then we can have this thanks section. Otherwise, we can remove that too. So if you remove, we can able to get like this. But as per IEEE conference guidelines, we should not mention anything like the first author, second author. That should not be mentioned. So we can remove these things like first, second, third should be removed from the author names. And while we are mentioning the names, we should not put any salutations like Dr., Mr. or Mrs. It should be just a plain name, and no affiliation is allowed. No designation is allowed like a student, undergraduate student, postgraduate student, professor, assistant, associate. Nothing is permitted under the IEEE standard, so that we can make sure. Then this is what the template. The main important thing is like here we can the here you could see like how to insert image, video and equations. Other than that, we can just copy the text whatever you have in the word to the respective sections. When you are having any percentage and all, you have to use backslash. If you get any errors, you can able to do you can able to fix that. But if you want to install any image or template, you can upload all the images to this file directly. You should not directly refer to the local computer. If you refer, then it will show in your system, but in the latex code, if you are sharing to some other system, it will not display there. So I suggest we can able to upload the files. Here you can upload whatever the image you want to use for this project. You can just import all the images here, then that images will be displayed over here. So this is what the overall structure. If you want to insert any table or figure, you can able to get the icons for that. So if you go and either we can use visual editor, where we can able to get the PDF section as such, or we can go for coding editor. Here you can able to get the section. If you click on the three dots over here, here we have an option to insert image or a table or an equation. For example, I want to insert a new image in this position, then I can click here, I can insert image. Then either we can directly upload the image, or we can select the image from the uploaded files. So I always suggest to upload. So here we can go and search. Here it will list all the file names. I want to insert the image, I have to give the label as well as the caption. Caption indicates image title, whereas label indicates like the identifier to insert or refer inside the text. So I can just select, so that if you select here, the image will be placed in the respective position. See here, it is already inserted. So you can note like now the figure number is automatically updated. Already the figure, we have figure 1, now it is figure 2. Okay, so here we have label. Here we can place like for the identifier for the label. So I can keep like figure 1, the caption whichever we want, that we can update. Then if you want to make sure like all the images, figures, tables, whatever we are using in the paper, that should be referenced inside the explanation, like the text. I want to cite or I want to refer, then I can use slash ref. Slash ref is the command used to cite all the tables, figures and the equations. For reference, we have to use slash cite. Okay, I want to use the figure 1. I want to cite the figure 1. If you do so, then in the explanation, like the position, respective position, we can able to get exactly the image is referenced. You see the link will be created automatically for that. So like this we have to refer all the images and figures. So I want to use like the images and references sequences should be displayed in hypertext. Then for that we have to import one package that is called use package hyperref. If you use this package, then in the PDF you can able to see like whatever the images figures that will be highlighted like this, then it will be linked automatically. For reference, it is linked with a green color. So this will be done if you include this use package hyper ref package. So these are all the minimal things, and the final thing I want to highlight is the reference, how to do the referencing in the IEEE conference template. So here they have added bib text manually. I am not suggesting this way. We can remove this. Maybe in the next video I will cover like how to include references using bib text. For that we have to include another file, then we have to take all the bib text. I will cover as part of next video. Thank you.